Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am here back with another video for you about Nick Cannon's. Nick Cannon's 5-month-old son dies from brain tumor. In a heartbreaking statement on December 7, Nick Cannon announced the death of his 5-month-old son Zane. Nick Cannon is mourning the loss of his young son. On Tuesday, December 7, Cannon announced the death of his and Alyssa Scott's 5-month-old baby boy. Then I got so much to talk about, he said at the start of the Nick Cannon show. I have not even shared this with anybody, not even the crew, just because there is so much going on in the world. I had a very tough weekend. Cannon then showed the audience his pick of the day, a photograph of Zen as he broke down in tears. Before the show started in the summertime, Zen was born in June 23rd actually. He continued, "It was a great day. I got a lot of kids. Zen is my youngest. It was so exciting." As Cannon reflected on his first few months with his youngest son, he recalled noticing Zen had a sunniest thing like a cough and interesting breathing. He also noticed the size of Zen's head but didn't think anything of it because his other 6 kids also have nice round heads. Uh, but I really wanted to take him to the doctor to get the breathing and sinus check out, he told the audience. So we thought it would be a routine process and we went in just to check his sinus, and they actually said his sinuses were pretty cool, but by the time we found out that had another condition, and I think it was called, if I am not mistaken, fluid that was building up in his head, and that was the cause his head was starting to get big. When we found out it was more, they called it a malignant tumor in his head. Immediately we had to have brain surgery. As Cannon explained, doctor put a shunt in Zen's head as they hoped for the best. After that, the family carried on, and Zen was playing with his all brothers and sister. While addressing the audience, Cannon then gave a shout out to Zen's mom. Eliza was just the strongest woman I have ever seen. Never had a argument here, never was angry. He said she was emotional when she needed to be, but always the best mom, and continues to be the best mom possible. So I have got to say thank you to my entire family. The star then explained things took an interesting turn around Thanksgiving. The process speed up, he shared. If anybody knows how cancer is, it was cancer in the brain, and the tumor began to grow a lot faster. He went on to share that this past weekend he spent the most quality time with Zen that he could. On Sunday, 1st December, we went to the ocean where he held his son for the last time. This is beautiful show dedicated to my son, Cannon said. You never know what someone is going through. Hug your family, kiss somebody, tell them you love them. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you like my video, please share to other friends.